Greetings, adventurers. We are on a family hike today on Elroy-Sparta State Trail.
Wisconsin.
Woohoo! We got the whole family following behind.
You ready?
So when he does his
Look it, you're in the video. Look it.
or here, yeah, I guess more back. You're all back up so you can.
We found a marker. Dry Creek Watershed Project. So it looks like they made a dam here, an earthen dam, to stop flooding going from that lake to the farmland over there. Pretty cool, kids.
Happy to subscribe. Yeah, we are. But whatever. I'll catch up later.
Look at this, we found a spring
How do you take a picture of it?
in clear waters.
How do you take a picture of it? Do you like my face or not?
You've reached a historical monument. Wow. Apparently this is where the person that cared for the tunnel stayed.
Hi. What are you guys doing?
Checking out the history of the tunnel and the trail.
I don't think you can go in here.
Did you know that this used to be a railroad? The trail that we're walking on used to be a railroad and they turned it into a walking trail.
What's a railroad?
Where trains go.
And if you look here, there's ancient writings all over the walls. And over here, very ancient.
Get out of the mud.
Here we have a stone flume. They built to stop erosion. Awesome.
So many water bugs. Here we are at the bottom of what appears to be a ravine of sorts. We've made it 1.6 miles, about halfway. Dense forests, nice and cool. Ferns. That looks cool. It looks like a rock. And it has like, it looks, I don't know, they're like squared, but it's like in the wild. And there's a stream. It's like we're in the jungle. I want to see the monkeys, except we're in Wisconsin, so there's probably no monkeys. We're approaching the tunnel.
Approaching the tunnel.
Yes. Many people are scared of the tunnel. That's why they stop.
Yes. Many people.
But we're not scared.
Yeah, we just scream in the tunnel.
Yeah, we have to hold our
We're not
breath all the
scared,
way
but-
through the tunnel. It's like a mile.
We go.
How long is the tunnel? Like a mile?
No.
Oh,
Maybe a third of a mile.
a third of a mile, but we have to hold our breath.
Oh my gosh. You
Yep.
can't even breathe with your nose.
Nope.
Oh,
Yep, you have to hold your breath the whole time.
that's deep.
See? All those scared travelers.
Yeah.
Afraid to go into the tunnel. But we are not afraid.
Yeah.
Yes. The tunnel.
I was just on TV.
He's gonna do that a lot in
Don't
here.
worry about her. See, the
It's very cool.
scared travelers are going into the tunnels.
So apparently that shaft was
And
right
they're
here,
breaking
next
a
to
law
the-
because that's holding the
And they
breath.
moved it up.
Yeah,
Breaking a law.
yeah.
That is kind of rude. It's a third of a
What did I
mile.
say?
What?
What did I say?
Hold your breath when you go through the tunnel.
The tunnel.
Oh, you gotta walk bikes through? That's supposed so you don't hit people.
Oh God, get ready, guys.
Bikes must be walked. Very long tunnel.
A very long tunnel.
Okay, so make sure you get all around.
Oh my gosh, I don't think I will do it. Okay.
The door.
We can actually breathe in here because we're the cool ones, and we can do anything. We can even break a lock.
It's very dark. I'm not sure. Oh, you can see. Oh, did you feel water? It is. Oh, I feel water. Yeah, there's water around here.
We can breathe in here since we're the cool ones.
Yeah,
We can breathe in.
it's getting darker. It's a long tunnel. It's kind of scary. It's kind of, I mean, it's like it's, water landed on my forehead.
Making it through the tunnel. A light. Yeah, it looks like some kind of... Oh, it's a bat thing. It has a picture of a bat on it. Yeah, sometimes it's hard though. It looked like it was about a third of a mile.
I'll look on that.
We're almost to the end. We are approaching the end of the tunnel. What? Come on, Nev. Alright, we made it! Coming out of the tunnel. What do you think, Lo? How was it?
Oh yeah, they're kind of, yeah.
They're made for the water and stuff.
They get wet. I don't have to always. I don't think this is the end.
Alright, so awesome family hike down the Elroy-Sparta State Trail in Wisconsin. Lots of fun with the family. That tunnel was amazing. Didn't know it was going to be raining in the tunnel, but hey, good times, good times.